Hello, my name is Muhammed Ali Güneştekin, and this is Electric and Electronical Engineering Department's EE102 course's third project. In this project, we are aimed to build a simulation of a car, of a GT3 car, influenced by the Ferrari GT3 telemetry data. And in this experiment, we're going to use breadboard, the external LEDs, and the basis tree. And for the telemetry monitoring, we're going to use the Python UART telemetry vision. In the breadboard, we have yellow, green, and red external LEDs. This external LEDs works as the demonstrating of the level of the RPM. So when the RPM is low, then the yellow LED turns, and when RPM goes to the level that can either be increased or decreased, it turns to green. And when RPM is near to the limits of the gear RPMs, it goes to red. At the same time, we demonstrate the RPM level with the internal LEDs, and we have 6 switches here. The first 6 switches from right to the left are the gear levels. We have up button and down button. Up button works as the gas pedal, down button works as the brake pedal, and we use a 7-segment display as a demonstration of the telemetry. The left numbers shows us the gears level, then the rest of the LEDs shows us the speed of the car. With the telemetry in the monitor, we also show the data. We have a RPM bar here, and we have the gear demonstrating and the speed demonstrating here. So let me show you the physical mechanics in the simulation. When we turn on the first switch, it goes to first gear, and this gear has a speed limit. When we are going to get in near to this limit, it is going to go through the yellow and green and red LEDs. When it hits the red LEDs, it is a warning that we have to gear up, and we can also be able to see it on the RPM bar. So it is warning us about gearing up situation. So it hit the red bar and it stopped at the 105 kilometers per hour, and the RPM has stuck in the end of the bar. So we're going to gear up. It has increased to 2. So 2 has its own speed limit and it's 150. So we switch up to third gear, and this gear has also its own speed limit, 185. We're going to head into the 300 kilometers per hour, the absolute maximum speed limit of the simulation. We're going to see how it's going to behave at that limit. So as you can see, when it hit the 300 limit, it's stuck there. The gear is stuck into 6th, the red bar stuck into the red light, and we cannot go further. Let me show you the acceleration threshold as well. So this threshold works as when you have a high gears, every gear has its own gear power. When you have a high gear power, it accelerates in a much less rate. So for example, when the first gear is on and you go to 100 kilometers per hour, it reaches to approximately 3 to the 4 seconds. But when you switch to the 6th gear, it goes to the 100 kilometers per hour in a much more time. So as you can see it here, in a 3 and 4 second, it only reaches to the half of the speed limit, and this shows us the acceleration threshold mechanism. We also have the engine braking system logic. For example, in this situation, we have the 5th gear, and it has the 240 50 speeds. So when we turn off the 5th gear and turn on the 2nd gear, the 2nd gear's it is going to decrease to the 2nd gear's speed limit. Even if I press the up button, it still decreases to the limit of the second gear, and when it hit the limit, it stays there. And if I don't press any button, it decreases in terms of the air friction and the ground friction and braking engine logic.